Here are 4 skills that I've found useful when introducing ACT to a workplace. The first one, if you're familiar with the skills from ACT, use them in your preparation for that meeting. Secondly, get familiar with the evidence base. Now, not the whole detail, but just really think about the outcomes that ACT can deliver, what the evidence has shown, because we're operating from a very solid foundation when we're bringing ACT to the workplace. The third one is stress the importance of psychological well-being. It's not just a nice to have, it's the most reliable predictor of performance, attendance, and turnover, according to the happy productive worker hypothesis. And then finally, start small. Don't claim that you will conquer the whole organization. I would recommend starting with a pilot. And then with a pilot study, you can gather feedback from the participants and maybe even use some measures to show, hopefully, improvements.